Bitcoin continues to do very little. Before we start, a word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by XNS, the world's biggest retail brokerage, offering ultra-fast execution and no overnight fees. Find a link in the description below. Bitcoin has been very quiet over the last couple of sessions as we are simply killing time at this juncture. It looks very much like a market that just doesn't have anywhere to be, but that makes a certain amount of sense as traders start to question whether or not the Federal Reserve is going to cut rates. At this point, it is worth noting that we are still in a phase where we have been consolidating, and on the 4-hour chart, it certainly looks as if that continues due to that massive inflow into the Bitcoin markets via the ETF opening up. Looking at the chart, the $67,000 level, I believe, continues to be a major support level, with the $73,000 level above ends up being a major resistance barrier. If we were to break down below $66,000, then it could open up a fairly significant drop towards the $60,000 level, which I think is your hard floor in the market as things stand right now. I do anticipate that sooner or later we probably break out to the upside, mainly due to the fact that central banks around the world are starting to cut. But the Federal Reserve, of course, is the big one. So we'll have to see whether or not they follow along, or probably more specifically, when they follow along. With that being said, I am a buyer of dips. I would love to see a dip here. I'd be very interested in picking up a little bit of Bitcoin just above the $67,000 level, but I also recognize breaking above 73,000 means that we are on the move again to the upside. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe.